The kneeling hand walkout exercise is excellent for building core strength in your abs and lower back, as well as improving shoulder stability and overall body control. Completing the hand walkout from your knees is the beginner modification to the more advanced hand walkout variation from your feet. Here's how to do it correctly. Begin by kneeling on a comfortable surface such as an exercise mat. Place your hands on the floor in front of you, shoulder width apart, with your back straight and your core engaged. Keep your core engaged throughout the entire exercise to protect your lower back. Inhale as you slowly walk your hands forward, one hand at a time, while keeping your knees on the ground. Continue to walk your hands out as far as you can while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. Aim to reach a position where your arms are extended fully in front of you and your body is aligned. Once you've reached the extended position, hold briefly as you engage your core and glutes to keep your body stable and prevent your hips from sagging. Exhale as you begin to walk your hands back towards your knees, one hand at a time, reversing the movement. Repeat for time or reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.